You're a good boy. You're not a... You're a You're gonna take a shower. You gotta put it back. So you smell good. You know? Take it out. Go here first. Oh, got too much. Yeah, dami. Dami here. So, yun na nga. Cut. Trim. Napurol. Summertime, you need to cut your hair. Growing again. Bath. Take a bath. Oh. Taking a bath, the boy. Good boy. You don't like this, you know that? You don't like this, you know. That is good. Look at that. You're gonna take your place away. Huh? Go ahead, move. Take me, obey you. Just take a shower. Take a bath. Good boy. Riley, the good boy. You see my... bara na tayo. Ito, ate. Wait a minute. Para magwapo. Para mabango. Mabango ang baby namin. Walang paliguan. Dito lang sa labas kami naliligo. Naliligo ang aso namin dito. Tingnan mo. Okay, ang daming dumi. Hindi pala nilinisan. Someday malilinis ka rin. Haba na naman, oh. Mahaba ang buhok ko. Ilang ulan mo. Oh, yeah. Cut. You like a cut? You want some more? You want a treat some more? Huh? Gusto mo treat uli? Ang ginawa. Naku nga. Okay. Mapurol. Kung saan yung isa. Ito ang buhay namin dito sa Texas. Nice weather, huh? Happy 4th of July. You're gonna be smell good. Okay, now. No more. One more. Oh, I know that you don't like this. Wait a minute. Harap ka dun. Ayaw mo ito eh. Pero kailangan eh. Kailangan maligo. Dapat araw-araw. Every week. Okay, now ready ka na? Treat muna, treat. There we go. Good boy. There. Okay. Give a treat. So, good boy. Okay. See? Oh, good boy. Baba. Sarap ligo. Mainit ang panahon. Lalo pag summertime. 100 degrees. Masyadong mainit. Paliguan. Para yung fleas maalis. Sadali lang. Ay. Para maalis yung fleas. Fleas mo. Nga nga. Aray ko. Ligo. Ligo ang baby. Baby. Cutie. Handsome baby. Our baby boy. Okay? Ayun. You wanna go swimming? Oh, goody. But you like it? Huh? Isiras ka ulit. Bigyan ng bat. Right, Riley? You like it, huh? Yeah, malis na yung mga fleas mo. Wala na. Hindi ka na magka-scratch ulit. Oop. Careful your ears. Yan. Sarap ligo. Liligo po kami dito. Oh my goodness, what is this? Dami mong bukol. I'm sorry, may bukol. Sorry, baby. Wait a minute. Hindi ko alam may bukol pala ito sa likod. Good boy. Sarap-sarap maligo. things na. Raise it up. Okay. And then I call Rascal to come in here. Okay? Give Rascal a bath too. I gave him a treat. You like your treat? Hmm? Oh, sarap nito. You like it, huh? You love it. Love water. Oy. Okay. Then. Oh, dry it up. Dry good. Hold on. Shake it. Shake it. Oh. Come on, shake it. There we go, good boy. Now, go wrap on baby. Oh, baby. Baby. You gonna sleep good tonight, huh? You sleep good tonight. Okay. Just carry you up like a baby. Oh my goodness. Yes, our baby. Carry.